agents lose custom projects when every reply creates 3 more questions. The customer waits and the quotation never reaches a stable scope. Speed comes from 3 controls: 1 project brief, 1 open issue list, and 1 rule for approving changes. First, collect the operating need before asking for a model. Record the application, pressure, air demand, duty pattern, air quality requirement, power supply, quantity, destination, and target installation date. Add the site temperature, dust, humidity, ventilation, space, altitude, placement, and useful photos or drawings. Mark every unknown instead of guessing. Second, turn the request into a controlled question list. Separate confirmed inputs from options still under review, compressor, type, air treatment, receiver, controls, accessories, documents, packaging, and branding. Assign each question to the customer, agent, or factory discussion. Send 1 numbered update with the latest files. This stops old data and drawings from circulating beside the current version. Third, create a change gate before treating the offer as final. When pressure, flow, power supply, site conditions, included equipment, quantity, branding, or documents change, record the revision and its effects. Reconfirm the scope, exclusions, price bases, delivery discussion, warranty boundary, and documents. For that case, a fast answer matters only when everyone uses the same version. Factory direct communication can reduce handoffs. OEM or contract manufacturing questions can be reviewed against brand files, specifications, and documents. It does not guarantee response time, custom approval, certification, final delivery date, or commercial terms. For a cooperation review, use the official website or sales email shown on screen. Share your country, business type, industry experience, current products, target customers, and service capability. Include 1 complete sample project brief, so both sides can evaluate how questions, revisions, and responsibilities should move.